Art at BCHS with Madame Defoe presents How to Use the Paper Cutter. This is the guide bar. It is 90 degrees to the cutting edge. The blade is self-sharpening and can cut in both directions. It's safely housed in plastic to protect your fingers. The translucent blue bar is known as the pressing bar, and your paper slides underneath it. The blade cuts the paper on the side of the pressing bar that's closest to you. Attach the rear stop to the guide bar to set a desired cutting width. This helps with accuracy and for consistency. Press the red button to adjust it and use the lower or closest edge to measure. The measuring grid is available in metric and imperial measurements. Slide your paper underneath the pressing bar. Make sure the paper is flush with the guide bar and the rear stop. Instead of holding the paper with your fingers, which could leave prints, hold down the presser bar as you cut. Even though the blade is in a safe plastic housing, still keep your fingers out of the way. Never, ever, ever cut cardboard with the paper cutter. The cardboard is too thick and will damage the blade. Thank you for recycling or reusing the paper trimmings.